welcome back to Sunday Live Trend. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. Well guys, I'm back again with Mzansi Soapy Series and namhlanje sikhuluma ngethonga. And nakho guys ongase ke ukulindele kuleli viki elizoqala. There is a new character laphana ke kwithonga edlalwa ke uSiphamandla Dludlu. uSiphamandla Dludlu guys uzodlala ke ukuba ke i-boyfriend ke kaMbali. Since ke kwaba naletha simo phakathi kaMbali ke kanye ke noSanele. So guys, uSiphamandla Dludlu kuzodlala ke umuntu ke ozosave impilo kaMbali, and they will date, they will have a relationship together guys. So yeah, and yeah guys, what is going to happen next week ukuthi ke uPablo uyaqhubeka ke nokufuna ama protection fee to everyone and harassing the Dladla family. Uphinde futhi afune ke yona ke i-protection fee nakamagwaza uyayifuna guys i-protection fee. On the other side kunomunye umuntu ke wesifazane otshela ke uNokwanda ukuthi ke yena angakwazi ukuthi ke amthwalele ke ingane, ushuthi ke uthabenze into ke surrogacy. So asazi guys ukuthi uzovuma yini ke uNokwanda ukuthi ke kwenzeke lokho, but ke there is an option ukuthi ke indoda yakhe ngangathatha isithembu kodwa ke athola umuntu ozokwazi ukuthi amphathele ingane ngoba yena ke akakhoni. If ukuthi problem ikuyena ke guys, mangabe kuyena engekho kuyena inkinga, then there is going to be a problem again, phewe problem. So yeah guys, injalo ke ezethonga. I hope nizal enjoy bakithi thonga. Mhlambe sekungcono kunaseqaleni, but as for me, cha liyadavuza lona impela, I don't want to lie. So guys, that brings us to the end of the video. Do comment below and share your opinion ukuthi ke are you happy with indaba relationship kaMbali njengoba ke enenkinga nale asanele wakhe angazomuya phila noma ke akasekho. Bye.